What we're going to do today with our Cubanelle peppers that we just fried is we are going to be making a black bean dish to have with that lovely pernil over there. That is a Puerto Rican roast made out of pork. It's the pork butt. Normally we smoke them, but we're going to have this today and it's going to be fantastic. All right, but I need to make a black bean dish. So let's go down here and use the oil that we just fried our peppers in. And we're gonna add in some onion and garlic. Now this pan is very hot. I'm gonna get our onions and our garlic going. And I'm going to take these peppers and I'm going to chop some of them and put them right back into the pan with my black beans, and we'll add some seasoning in. Now you can remove the skins if you want from your pepper. That's not going to bother us in the least a little bit. So we're going to leave them in. And let's get our black beans into the pot, into the pan as well. All right, let's get some spice into our black beans. The first spice that I'm going to add in is going to be a little bit of garlic powder. About a quarter teaspoon. We're going to get some onion powder in as well. Some cumin, ground cumin. Again, I'm putting in about a quarter teaspoon of each. We're going to get in some chili powder. We're going to be generous with the chili powder. We're going to say about a half a teaspoon. You know, that looks like a lot of spice, right? But don't worry. We're going to get in some fresh lime juice. And if we need more, we'll put more in there, but we're going to start with that. We're going to let this cook together and we're going to give it a taste and see how we end up. As soon as these black beans are tender enough to eat, we are going to be slicing that pernil and we are going to be having a nice little Puerto Rican meal of black beans with our special Cubanelle peppers and our roast. We'll be back. This is our black bean dish with those beautiful Cubanelle peppers. Can I tell you, it smells and tastes so good. I'm serving with a little lime wedge so that you can squeeze the lime over the top of it if you want even more freshness. And I was making this as a side dish. So I'm going to show you the beautiful pernil that we're having it with. Doesn't that look amazing? Thanks for watching. For the love of food.